Howdy y'all, we are heading down to Trey's house to do a quick fix on the Dodge. He blew up a hub this morning on his way to work, so we're gonna get that fixed tonight. That way he can head back to work tomorrow. I'll catch y'all once we get there. Harbor Freight as I was mid-sentence.
We'll take a break. Be back in a commercial. There she went. I gotta pop this red piece up. Just like that, and you give her a little yank.
There you go. ABS guy's disconnected. Alright y'all, so it is the next day. We are back working on the Dodge. There's a little bit of a problem yesterday. Trey, you want to try and tell them what happened?
Kind of got to the hub, and it turned out to be a two-wheel drive hub from O'Reilly's. So shout out to that guy. Got the new one today, so it's four-wheel drive. We're good to go.
Yep, so we're ready. We also kind of got stopped up because we didn't have the correct socket. This sucker takes like an inch and a million.
11/16.
Yeah, inch and 11/16. So we ran down to the old Harbor Freights or somewhere and we picked her up. So get y'all caught back up. Little custom. All right, let's get her going. This was the ginormous socket we were talking about we didn't have yesterday. I only had a 32 millimeter. We needed a 43 millimeter. So we got that all ready to go. Also, the two-wheel drive didn't have the shaft space. It was also a 3-bolt, not a 4-bolt on the back of the flange. So just not the right guy. So we're gonna take those other rotors back, get them turned, and we will be ready to rock.
I don't think I did. Maybe.
Oh, we did. Jiminy Cricket. I went for a ride on that one.
Mm-hmm.
She went from all to nothing. I could turn that light.
Alright guys, we got her all off. Time to put the new one back on. Gonna clean it a little bit, put some brake cleaner on there. It's pretty rusty, so we put our best friend, the PV Blaster, and trying to clean her up a bit.
She was a Washington truck for a long time, couple 100,000 miles, so
Yeah, she's
seen
got
better
her
days.
salt for her, so we get her going.
So we got her all installed. We'll go ahead and go pick up those rotors. They're all freshly turned for us. Get her back together and call it a day. All right, y'all, she's all back together. So we're gonna take her around the block real quick, bring her back in, torque everything down again, throw the cotter pin in there, and call it a day.